They say our world is mapped, measured, understood. But sometimes a crack opens and something slips through. In 1954, a man arrived at Tokyo Airport with a passport from a country that doesn't exist. This isn't science fiction, it's a mystery, one no one has solved. It was a hot day in July. Tokyo Haneda Airport was busy. Customs officers were doing their job. A man approached the desk, European, clean-shaven, confident. Nothing seemed off until he handed them his passport. The country listed was Taured. The officers paused. They had never heard of it. Calmly, the man pointed at a map. Right between France and Spain, he said, "Taured has existed for over 1,000 years." But on the map, there was only Andorra. The man was confused and angry. He thought this was a prank. His passport looked real. Stamps from Japan, France, Germany. He'd even visited Tokyo before. He carried multiple currencies, a driver's license, business cards for a company in Tokyo. Officials called the company. It didn't exist. They checked the hotel he claimed he booked. No reservation. Every document said one thing. Reality said something else. Authorities were now involved. They moved him to a hotel, a high floor, locked windows. 2 guards posted outside his door. All night they watched. He never left. No one entered. The next morning, he was gone. Not just the man, every trace of him. His passport, his belongings vanished. No one saw anything. No one heard anything. It was as if he had never existed. What happened to the man from Taured? Some say he came from a parallel world, one where Taured is real and Andorra is not. Others say he was a time traveler or part of a secret experiment. A few believe it was a government cover-up, that he was taken and the truth buried. And some think it was all a lie, an urban legend, a story born from whispers. But why did the guards swear he never left? Why did the passport look real? Why did he vanish without a trace? If his story is real, it means our world isn't fixed, that timelines overlap, that dimensions bleed into each other, and sometimes they send travelers. If he came here by accident, could it happen again? Or worse, could you wake up one day in a world you don't recognize? If you want to listen to more mystery videos like this one, and subscribe to my channel, Razaq TV. And don't forget to press the bell icon.